welcome back to my channel. So I just want to show us how you can apply for jobs on Upwork. Like I said, you need to read through the proposal correctly so you know what you are doing, and then mind the time they posted the job so as to know when you can apply for it. So when you open your profile, this is what you have. This is your profile interface. This is what it looks like. Okay, so best matches shows the jobs that best match your profile. Most recent jobs, you click on it. Jobs that are posted recently. See this one, virtual assistant needed ASAP 4 minutes ago. But then I'm skeptical about this because the payment method is unverified and ₦0 has been spent. It might be legit, but I'm scared. Okay, so I'd rather go for a job that has a payment verified method. But then if you have some connects that you want to spare, you can just try this out. There's no harm in trying. Okay, so let's go for, but then yeah, let me just use this to give you an example of how to apply. So but I'm very sure this job could be scam. Okay, so but then let's just apply because it's a virtual assistant position. It could be anything, and it was posted 4 minutes ago. So to apply, you click on that job this thing. So when you click on it, here has the details of the job. You just read it correctly. You need to be good in Google Sheets, good communication in emails and other MS admin work. It's an ongoing project. Less than 5 persons have submitted proposals, so this is a good one to submit proposal to. And then now I want to submit a proposal. So wow, this proposal takes 6 connects. Okay, like I said, we use connects to apply for jobs. So when I apply for this, I'll have 44 connects remaining. So I want to go ahead and apply. You show you my rate as $5 per hour. I'll just leave it at that. Then cover letter. Like I said, I already have some proposals written in my notepad. I'll just quickly go and copy that and then come and paste it here. So this is it. I have them written for virtual assistants. I'll just copy that and then come and paste here. Just edit it a little to what the job is saying and correct anything that needs to be corrected. So because the job is a virtual assistant job, I don't need to do too much editing here. So this is it. And like I said, I'll always advise to upload file. One of those certification courses you take, this is a nice time to upload them when applying for the job. So I have a few on my system. I'm just going to click one of them. Customer problem, something. Yep. So I'm just applying one. And then send for 6 connects. You can boost your connects to one of the top proposals the employer will see. But I don't want to boost this. I just want to send normally because I'm still within like the first 10 persons that be applying for this job. Now I'm sending this. Yes, I understand. And then you submit. So that is it. I've just submitted. I've just applied for a job, and that is how to submit for a job proposal. The location of the job is United States. Okay, let's just see how it goes. And this is how you submit the proposal. This is every detail about the job. So if the employer wants to work with you, they'll contact you, and then you see their message here on message. When you click on it, they'll contact you, and then because I've not related with anybody here, this place is empty. But when you get the job, they'll contact you and you see a message, and you can begin to chat with the clients and know how the job is going to go. So that's how to apply for jobs on Upwork. Thank you. Bye.